How to create a new circle in Life360. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Life360 app, and once you're in your home page, you can see the circle name at the top. Just tap on it, and then you can tap on create a circle, and then put in a circle name, and then hit save. And now you'll get a code. Now you can share your code or send in a message with your friends to add them to the circle. So it's as simple as that to create a new circle in your Life 360 app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.